Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today's video's first activity is about number sequence. So as you know that children at this point of time are not willing to sit and do their homework or do anything related to studies, so these activities will help them motivate to do their work, their schoolwork. So what I made him do is I told him to pick up the number according to the sequence with the help of a straw. So as you can see, he's thinking that what number will come next. Sometimes a child, while he's telling you, he misses a number. So what we used to do when I was teaching in a school is that we used to do a starter activity of any topic we start. So this can be a starter activity for your children in the classroom, and my child actually loved this activity. What we did is we took these pipe cleaners. There are 3 of them because children's head are a bit bigger. So I took these pipe cleaners and I glued this magnet on them. So with the help of this is how they are doing. My 2-year-old just left. He was doing it very nicely just now. I'll put a clip of him doing as well. Yeah, good job. 2, 3, go. Come on. Okay. This was a great experiment I did with them. If you have a stronger magnet, you can use metal bottle caps as well for this experiment. This next activity is first letter sound activity. I had this PDF with me for a very long time, even when I didn't even started YouTube. So this letter sounds help a child to place the letters according to the picture they see. So it's easier for them to understand what sound is coming out of our mouth and what is the starting letter to it. So this PDF was interesting for him, and mashallah, my 2-year-old was only observing his brother, and later on when I gave it to him, he was doing all by himself. He knows sounds, but for him recognizing letters was much easier. So this next activity is a coloring activity. So I felt they should get something different. It is easier to draw and it is easier to give them printables, but I felt like this is a good way, an easier way for them to color within something. So I cut a tissue roll and made gills of a fish on them, and I pasted it on the paper, and they had to color in the middle of the gills. So I felt it was a very easy and fun activity for them, and learning colors along with it. So there are ways that you can teach them. I'm not saying that like if you're giving a printable, that's not a way, but I felt like it got boring for them, with time, the phase they're going through. So I felt like this was they kept him entertained for a while. So like always, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.